Here's how you build the best image in Wuthering Waves. So here is the image kit simplified. So we have basic attack 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we have charge 1, hold the basic attack button, dash, charge 1. Then we have charge 2, hold the basic attack button, charge, dealing fusion damage. Then we have meteor attack, jump, basic attack, dealing fusion damage. Then we have our skill that transforms us into mech. Then we have mech basic attack 1, 2, 3, and then basic attack 4, dealing fusion damage. Then we have heavy attack 1 that deal fusion damage. Then we have heavy attack 2 that also deal fusion damage. Then we have meteor attack, jump, basic attack button, plunge down. Then we have skill that transform her back. Then we have basic attack 1, 2 and her synchronized skill. Then we have basic attack 1, 2 and synchronized skill that transform her back. Then we have basic attack 1, 2, 3 synchronized skill. Basic attack 1, 2, 4 and synchronized skill. This pillar forte completely. Then we have basic attack 1, 2, 3 and 4 activate her enhanced skill that deal fusion damage. Then we have max basic attack 1, 2, 3, 4 that unlock her enhanced max skill that deal fusion damage. Then we have our ultimate that deal fusion damage. And to unlock our finisher, we need to do this combo. So ultimate, hold, charge, and her ultimate finisher that deal a lot of fusion damage. For our echo set, we have Trailblazing Star. This set is made for her. This is a 5-piece set. As you can see, it grants you crit damage 20% and fusion damage bonus. So it's best for her. You can also use the other fusion echo set, but I won't recommend it. As for her main echo, Slime, this echo is made for her. As you can read it, when equipped in main slot by Amieth, grant liberation damage bonus. For 3 cost, we need fusion damage and 1 cost attack. For skill, prioritize resonance liberation because it's most of her damage. After that, her forte, and after that, you can either go for resonance skill, basic attack, and I will not recommend maxing her intro. For her weapon, her signature weapon is best. All attribute damage bonus by 24 and 24% crit rate. It's best for her. But if you don't have a weapon like me, then you can always go for the standard 5-star weapon, Emerald of Genesis. Or you can give her the Battle Pass 4-star sword. It's good for her, but I will still go for the 5-star weapon. Since I don't have linear ammonia, I use her fusion burst mode, and for that, her best team is Amith as main DPS, then Lupa as sub DPS, and then we have Chiza as healer. For full fusion team, Brad and Changli are the best, but if you don't have her, you can always go with Murphy. Or if you don't want to use her, then you can always go with other 5-star like Encore. Or if you don't want to use her, you can always go with a supporter like Sorekeeper, or you can go with Varina if you want to. I don't really use Varina, but you can go with her if you want. Now we will go for a rotation. We will start with Chisa, user ultimate, fill Consorto, then we will switch to Lupa and fill her Consorto so we can intro Amy. Then we will switch to Amieth, fill her Consorto bar and collect her star. After all 4 star, we will use her ultimate finisher that deal a lot of damage as you can see. For a sequence, I will only recommend getting her to S1. I will not recommend any other sequences for her. For his stats, you need 70% crit rate and 255 crit damage. You need 115 to 125 energy regen and 2000 around attack. And that's how you build a perfect Amieth.